Welcome to the 31st edition of Funniest News Capsule. I am Ravikiran of BCom Honors first year.
I am Varshit of BCom Honors first year. Suez Canal traffic snarl is making shipping costs skyrocket. The blocking of the waterway is creating another setback for global supply chains already strained by the e-commerce boom linked to the pandemic. About 12% of global trade goes through the strategic canal that has led world powers to fight over it in the past. 237 visits queued up Thursday, compared with 185 counted on Wednesday and around 100 at the start of the blockage.
Aviation sector in turbulence. With the COVID second wave staring in the face, travel restrictions may spell more trouble to the aviation sector. Airlines will not cash positive by Q4 this year, according to the revised assessment from IATA. The association predicts carriers will burn between $75 and $95 billion this year, as new COVID-19 variants contribute to tighten travel restrictions ahead of the peak northern summer travel season.
Telangana State firm on promoting organic farming. Telangana State Assembly Agriculture Minister Niranjan Reddy said that the state government was planning to establish Polytechnic College for organic farming. It takes 3 years for converting a normal farmland into an organic field. The farmers also need to get the organic certificate from the organizations nominated by the Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority for exporting and marketing the organic foods within the country.
National Highways Authority of India to raise ₹1 lakh crore. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari on Thursday said the National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) is planning to raise ₹1 lakh crore through monetization of national highways in the next 5 years and exhorted industry players to come forward to reap rich dividends by investing in it. NHAI is planning to raise ₹1 lakh crore through monetization of highways under Toll Operate Transfer (TOT) mode in the next 5 years, Gadkari said.
Fuel price revision. Oil marketing companies on Friday went on pause mode and decided against revising petrol and diesel after cutting its retail rates in the previous 2 days. Accordingly, the pump price of petrol and diesel remained at previous days levels of Rs 90.78 and Rs 81.10 a litre respectively in the national capital. Petrol and diesel prices fell by 39 paise and 37 paise per litre respectively in 2 consecutive days of revision on Wednesday and Thursday in wake global softening of oil prices. OMCs have decided to pause price revision as crude has again gained and climbed up to close $63 a barrel from a lower $60 a barrel earlier.
SpiceJet bids for a loss-making Air India. Apart from the Tata Sons, SpiceJet promoter Ajay Singh, in a partnership with Russell Kaima Investment Authority and Ankur Bhatia, promoter of the Delhi-based Bird Group, has also emerged as bidders for the loss-making Air India. Both parties have placed bids in their capacities, but they both could hold a majority stake in the airline if they get it. Singh and the two investors have bid for a 100% stake in the Air India. The central government is reportedly planning to invite financial bids for the privatization of Air India by the end of this month. The plan is to wrap up the disinvestment process in the second half of the current calendar year. The shortlisted entities might be given time till June or early July this year to furnish their financial bids. After the bids are out, the sale of Air India will take another 3 to 4 months to finalize evaluation of the financial bids.
Nearly 70% Indian consumers have increased savings and investments post-pandemic report. 90% of Indian consumers have witnessed a change in personal spending behavior since the onset of the pandemic, according to the Consumer Spending Sentiment Index report by Interminds. The report, which showcases payment, purchasing and personal finance trends, along with shifting consumer spending patterns, is based on responses received from more than 11,500 Interminds customers across India.
Adani Transport backs ₹1,040 crore highway contract from NHAI in Telangana. Adani Road Transport Limited on Wednesday said it has won a ₹1,039.90 crore highway project from National Highways Authority of India in Telangana. The work is four-laning of National Highway 365A from Koda to Khammam in the state of Telangana under Barmatala Pariyojana on hybrid annuity mode, the company said. The bid cost of the project is ₹1,039.90 crore, it added. The construction period of the project is 2 years, while the operation period is 15 years, it noted. ARTL is a wholly owned subsidiary of Adani Enterprises Limited, part of Adani Group.